Alright boys, so as you can tell, we got Lana in the shop today. This is gonna be a pretty good video, I do believe. I got some stuff in store for you. I'll go ahead and go over that for you. But first, we gotta go ahead and get everything in the bed cleared out. So we gotta clean out the bed. I know it gets dirty. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab everything and we're gonna go over kind of what the rest of this video is gonna look like. So we went ahead and got us a new Raptor bed liner kit. This stuff is supposed to be pretty reliable, pretty durable. I'm honestly not quite sure how it is. I've never used it. I've just heard people use it. So I went ahead and picked up a box of it on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link that in the description down below. And I've already looked into it, so I kind of already know what I've got here. So we got our gun. We got to get an air fitting because it didn't come with one, but we got a nozzle. This nozzle don't even fucking fit, so I don't know why I've got it. Either way, and then we got some hardener right here. And then we got our coats right here. All right, sorry about that, technical difficulties. But then we got 4 bottles of the protective coating. So this stuff should be pretty good, and I should have plenty to do the bed. That's what we're doing. We're gonna just go ahead and bed line the bed. Holy crap. Look at that shit. Oh well, I don't know if y'all can see in this stuff. That looks weird. Oh well. But that's kind of the plan. So I'm about to go ahead and set y'all boys up on the tripod. And we're about to go ahead and get to cleaning out the bed of the truck. Gotta sweep all the brush and stuff that's in it out. I'm not quite sure what all that is, but so yeah, we just gotta go ahead and sweep that crap out of there. So I guess I'm gonna go find a spot to do that, and then I'll get back with you. Now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the tailgate off, and then we'll go from there. It's cold out here today, boys, but went ahead and sprayed just the tailgate. I mean, and right now it looks pretty good. You can't really tell because it's like still wet. It's still wet, so it's not dried up. So tomorrow, once it actually dries real good, we'll go ahead and take a look at it. But I mean, as far as it goes, like right now, I think it looks pretty good. I kind of went a little overboard and taped some stuff up and sanded it real well. But I want this to look as good as I can possibly get it. I don't want to be doing this again, and I don't want to be flaking off. So I went ahead and just took a little extra time, sanded it down, taped some stuff up, and went ahead and sprayed it. I didn't spray it too thick because, I mean, I don't know if you can tell right there. So I didn't really go too thick with it, which could be a mistake. But I want to make sure I have enough for the rest of the bed and the sides. So I'll probably get on that tomorrow or Thursday. I don't know. I don't know how the week's gonna look, but it should be one of those days. I should start sanding the bed and getting the bed sprayed. But yeah, this is looking, I mean, it's not taking me long and it's looking good. So I'm pretty pleased with it right now. But we're gonna go ahead and get the work on the rest of the truck. Got some plastic laid down and everything. We're gonna go ahead and mix up another coat or another bottle. This one is it hardened up, so if you don't use it all, you're pretty much gonna waste it. There's like half a bottle still left that we ended up wasting. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get to mixing up these other 3 bottles, and then go ahead and get to spraying. All right, boys, so I went ahead and let this thing dry up overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together, and then I'm gonna do a good walk around and kind of give you my thoughts on it. After this dried and I got everything back together, I got to looking at it, and I mean, I think this just looks great. I mean, the only downside, or the only thing that I've seen so far that I don't really like, is how thin it is. It's not thick, but you could add extra layers and take that problem away. But as far as everything else, the bed liner looks great. It completely changed the whole bed of this truck. The bed of this truck, I mean, it looked rough. I mean, you can tell from the big ass gash I have in it. I've used this bed, so it's been used. There's still some dents in it. I'm not gonna like make this thing like a show bed or anything like that, but I just wanted to get something down on it to make it look a little bit better, and this definitely done it. I didn't pay the thousands of dollars that Rhino Liner would have charged you, or Rain-X, or whatever the hell the other ones are. This was definitely the best bang for your buck. If you're gonna use the bed heavy, I'd probably buy 2 boxes. I mean, and then you're still, I think I bought this thing for like 130 bucks. So then you're at 260 on the bed liner stuff. So I mean, really, $300 versus $800 to $1,000. I mean, it's a no-brainer there. You know, I took maybe 6 hours for me to do all this collectively. It took me a couple days just because I don't have much time after work, but collectively it was about 6 hours. Just sanding everything down was the longest part. The prep work, I would advise to, make sure you do it right. You know, don't skip corners. And your stuff will look great, you know. This is a perfect sign of that. A very good reference point. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think it looks great. I hope you guys, I hope this helps you guys make a decision. I will definitely be adding this on more of my builds. But one thing I do want to add is they do like tinted colors, so you can get other colors just black than just black. I know there's a gray, because I was looking at a gray for this. There's a gray, I think there's a white. There's a couple of the colors that you know, I'll have a link down in the description for where I picked this stuff up at, and it'll have like the colors in there as well. But yeah, other than that, you guys see the results. You know, they speak for themselves. You know, I don't really have to try and sell the product. This is not like a paid ad or anything. This is just a project that I've done and I'm sharing with you guys, you know. And I think it looks great. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it looks great. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.